Oh, sorry. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, wait! Wait. I never get sick of that. Okay. Jen knife, number 1. To here, number 1. Let's hear it for Jen. Jen knife number 2. No, that's 3. The other one's 2. Come on, quickly! I can't believe you actually did that. That's so cool. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see Jen throw the knife, say yeah!
Yeah!
Jen, throw me the knife when I say you psycho! What the hell is wrong with you? Darling, standing there, closer. Gorgeous. Just standing there. Stop. Hold it like this. Like this. And it's a pretty throw. Yay! No! Yay! Yay! No! No. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if Jen gets it right, everyone go crazy for Jen. And Jen, if it's a bad throw, these two come back. You ready? I love you. I don't mean in a cheap nightclub way. I love you deeply. 1, 2, 3. For Jen! Jen, you're awesome! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, for the finale of the show, I juggle 3 razor-sharp machetes 10 foot in the air. I will then ride the unicycle with 1 leg. I balance a fish on my foot. I kick the fish through the air so it lands in the bowl on my head. Here we go. Slow hand clap, everyone. Yeah. Louder, come on. Louder. Up the back in the cheap seats. Come on, make some noise. Come on, I'm doing it! Yay! You should see it from here, it's amazing! Here we go, big finish. 1, 2, yeah! Wait, stop! Do you want to see more? Say yeah!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah! I found Nemo. Here we go, the finale with the fish. Oh God, it's over here. 1, 2. Now the first time I saw this, I was so stunned, I forgot to clap as well. I don't need your pity. Not only do I ride the unicycle with 1 leg, I then balance the fish on my foot. I kick it through the air so it lands in the bowl on my head. Maybe. Now before I do this, there's one thing I have to say. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my job. This is my job, and the people that pay me are you. And might I say, you all look very sexy today. I'm not on welfare. In fact, I've never been on welfare. That's because I've got a job. My job is I come out here on days like today, and I make people laugh. And I make people smile. And I try, even if it's just for half an hour, I try to make people happy. That's why I think I've got the best job in the world. So please, at the end of the show, don't just walk away without at least putting something in my hat, yeah? It's not just to keep me alive, honestly. It helps keep the streets of Amsterdam alive. Because I reckon our street performers, I reckon we do make a difference, yeah? Awesome! If you're not sure how much to give, the average donation for a show of this quality is about 50 euros, yeah! No! The average donation I've been getting since I've been here in Amsterdam has been between 10 and 5 euro. Now, if you go to any of the cafes, let's say you buy coffee and cake, you're not going to get any change from €5. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to ask you one question. Have you enjoyed my show as much as a cup of coffee and a bit of cake? Yeah? Here we go, a stunt nobody else performs on the planet. Oh God. Normally I do this on grass, but I ran out. I'm joking. I never run out. Together. Louder. It's okay. Oh shit. Quickly, sir, before they notice. Yes, reach down with your panther-like reflexes. Today. Just hand it to me. Oh, you're gorgeous. Yes, that's fantastic. Thank you. Okay, give me a round of applause, yeah? Here we go. Second attempt. Any Americans out there? Americans, yeah? Tourists, yeah? Yep, the €10, it's the big green note, yeah? Here we go. Second attempt. I know what you're thinking. His parents must be so proud. Louder. Louder.
Yeah. All of it.
Okay. Third time lucky. Fourth time, fucking embarrassing. Okay, everyone, clap. Louder, come on. Yeah! Thank you! Ladies and gentlemen, you've been an awesome crowd. Please don't spoil it now by pissing off and not paying. That was my show. This is my heart, which is where it came from. And this is my hat. The exit's here. Thank you, you've been gorgeous. Thank you for having me, Amsterdam. Thank you so much.